Hello friends, this is the Westcoast Math Tutor. In the previous videos we solved logarithmic equations using the definition of a logarithm. We rewrote the logarithmic equation log base b of m equals c into the equivalent exponential form b raised to the power of c equals m. But sometimes it's necessary to use properties of logarithms to condense multiple logarithms into a single logarithm. In the following two examples, we are going to use the product rule for logarithms to get a single logarithm expression on the left side. With the product rule for logarithms, we can write the single logarithm log base 2 of x times x minus 2 equals 3. Now we can rewrite this in exponential form. 2 raised to the power of 3 equals x times x minus 2. Two cubed is 8, and with the distributive property we get x squared minus 2x. Now we are going to set the equation to 0 by subtracting 8 from both sides. So we get 0 equals x squared minus 2x minus 8. Do we need the quadratic formula here, or can we factor this? Feel free to pause the video, take your time and think about it. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, and negative 2 plus 4 is 2, which is the opposite of negative 2. So we can factor this to x plus 2 in parentheses times x minus 4 in parentheses. Now we set each factor to 0. After subtracting 2 from both sides, we get x equals negative 2. In the first equation, and after adding 4 to both sides, we get x equals 4 in the second equation. The domain of logarithmic functions consists of positive numbers, so negative 2 is not a solution. Let's check 4 by plugging it into the original equation. Log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of 4 minus 2 equals 3. Log base 2 of 4 is 2 because 2 raised to the power of 2 equals 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we get 2 plus log base 2 of 2 equals 3. 2 raised to the power of 1 equals 2. So log base 2 of 2 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 4 is the only number which is in our solution set. And we're done with this problem. Let's do one more example for the sake of practice. Log of x plus log of x minus 3 equals 1. With the product rule for logarithms, we can write the single logarithm log of x times x minus 3 equals 1. Now we can rewrite this in exponential form. 10 raised to the power of 1 equals x times x minus 3. 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. And with the distributive property, we get x squared minus 3x. Now we are going to set the equation to 0 by subtracting 10 from both sides. So we get 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. Again, do we need the quadratic formula here, or can we factor this? Feel free to pause the video, take your time and think about it. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10, and negative 2 plus 5 is 3, which is the opposite of negative 3. So we get x plus 2 in parentheses times x minus 5 in parentheses. Now we set each factor to 0. After adding 5 to both sides, we get x equals 5. Let's check 5 by plugging it into the original equation. Log of 5 plus log of 5 minus 3 equals 1. Five minus 3 is 2. So we get log of 5 plus log of 2 equals 1, which we can write as log of 5 times 2 equals 1. And 5 times 2 is 10. 10 raised to the power of 1 equals 10. So log of 10 equals 1. So 5 is the only number which is in our solution set. And we're done with this problem. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.